YouTube, take action now to keep access to your channel. Due to a local law, you need to invite a parent to set up supervision in order to have a channel and do things like upload videos or comment. Learn more. So you have this option here to either say not now or get started. Now you can continue to do not now, and you should still have access to YouTube to comment, to make videos. However, you keep clicking on it and eventually you might not have access to YouTube, or you might not be able to do these things, or limited. Now, the reason this is happening is some reason Google believes that you're under 16, and this message is for those who are under 16. And so they're using AI technology on Google Chrome, on YouTube, and multiple different things, and they have basically made the assumption that you are under 16 or some other things. So this video is for those who are over 16 and want to get rid of this error message. Now, if you're under 16, think about getting outside, being with friends, laughing. I remember in the 1980s when I grew up as a kid, there was no such thing as the internet. There was no such thing as social media or even phones or smartphones. We'd go out, we'd play, we'd have the grass underneath our feet. We had fresh air and wind, and I want you to please consider doing that, and I'm telling you, your life will be happier. Now, those of us who are over 16, this is what I want you to do. Now, there's a few links that in the description that you can find that were direct links, and this is one particularly, and this is what you can do in order to verify your information. And yes, you will have to upload either a credit card or driver's license, or basically information to prove to YouTube that, hey, I am not under 16 and I am over 16. So this is why this is one way. So it's basically an age verification. It's in the description. You don't have to take my word for it. You can go directly to Google and you'll find this exact same link. Okay, that's one way. Second way is you can check your Google account. So you may have accidentally put the wrong birth date on your account. So go here to this account. Again, I'll put it in the description. Or you can go to Google and just type in Google, verify my account, or change birth date on my account, and it's basically my account at .google personal info, and make sure that your correct birth date is on there. Okay, so that's the second thing you can do. Or the third thing you should do is, if your account is already supervised, let's say you have already turned past 16 or past 18, what you can do is go to the family section and to request the stop supervision. And because you may be, you might have access to your account now, you're an adult, and you need to stop supervision, and you can do number 3. And of course, you can go to the description to see how to do that, or just Google it and you'll find out. Now, temporarily, you can try a different browser. So in other words, if you're on Google Chrome, temporarily, if you're over 16, you can go to Mozilla Firefox or Opera. Try a different browser and see if you stop getting that pop-up. I can understand why people do not want to upload their driver's license and all that stuff. I respect that. So maybe try a different method that I show you on here. All right, as always, make sure you subscribe and have a good rest of your day.